today we are going to learn about Follistim. So Follistim comes in this box. You take it out, you get this green container. This is just the pen device and it comes with some of your needles. Separately, you will have a box that has the cartridge with the actual medication in it. You'll need that. You'll need your alcohol swabs as well as your sharps disposal kit. So to get started, just take out your pen device, pull the cap off, and then twist it into two pieces. This is where you're gonna load that cartridge of medication. Open your cartridge here. You'll see it's just this little glass vial with a little bit of liquid in here. Depending on the dose, it might be a little more full or not. You're gonna load that onto the bigger blue side of the pen and then put the yellow cap back on and twist it down. So now the cartridge is loaded. Next, what you're gonna do is take one of these little pods here. This is your needle. So you'll just pull that little pink cap off and then you're ready to put it on. Before you put that on though, I want you to go ahead and wipe off the top of that cartridge with your alcohol pad. Now you're ready to put this on. You'll see that little needle in here, and what that does is pierce through that rubber stopper at the top, and now your needle is on. Next, what you're gonna do is dial up your dosage. So say your initial dosage is 150 units. So you dial all the way up to 150. Oh shoot, I overdid it, darn. Okay, don't twist back. This is important. Just keep on twisting. Oh, and then it'll kind of release and just go all the way back to the beginning. So now I can dial back up to 150, just like that. So now you just take that off. You have your little 1/2 inch needle here and you're ready for your injection.